Okay, welcome to the stream. Nobody's here yet, but anyways. Okay, so this stream is going to be focusing on my promise to add guest time 2677. I hope I name it right because I just copy pasted and forgot it. Yeah, guest time 2677. Yeah, this is for you, my friend. And let me just go ahead and see your comment. What you wanted to ask me, like what actually you asked it. Wait, what is this? Screen capture. What is? Oh, that's my second display. No wonder. Let's just delete it. Okay, so there we go. And here we are. Where are you, guest time? Oh, oh, no, don't do that. And I apologize for any kind of audio that is coming beside my voice because I am running a fan over my head and it's quite noisy. Okay, where are you, my friend? There you go. Let's go through animation, whatever. I have a question. So, is it how to make a throw animation after a move or a new hit reaction? So I'm gonna divide it into two parts, okay? Like I'm going to do it in one go, but I'm gonna divide it in two parts. Let's say. So you wanna know how to make a throw, firstly, and secondly, you wanna know how to make a new hit reaction. So the hit reaction is going to be pretty straightforward, but the throw is going to be a little bit complicated. So let's just begin. And just put it sideways here and for this one I'm going to be using wait, I am building Brian Fury and he doesn't have any kind of throw in his moves, but yeah, let's go. I can explain hit reaction with Brian Fury's moves that I'm working on. I was going to kind of working on a custom animation, so it sucked. Yeah. So I just deleted it. La la there. As you can see, I've been working on rebuilding him into new areas. So for Tekken 8, we don't face the issues. Wait, that should work actually. Yeah. For now, I'm using DARS, then Dynamic Entry 4 for this one. But I'm gonna change it when the actual move comes out. I'm actually working on some custom animations in Blender, and for now I was working on Brian Fury's new uh, that kick knee move that he does after what QCF 2, and it's going to be 4. So I've been working on that. Like, yeah, see, I was working and it looks really bad. See, yeah, it looks awful. It looks awful. See, it looks so awful. So I just said whatever, don't do that. Okay, so for Brian Ferry, I have worked on his a few of hello, hello, hello. Okay, before beginning that like coding stuff, I want to explain what I have done with Brian Ferry's current moveset, so you guys may know what is coming in the 8 mod, rather than just going like, see. So let me just disable the codes and refresh the site. See, I'm perform. Let me just go ahead and active command history so you know. See, I'm performing the command, but he's not doing his while standing. Yeah, this move. Yeah, see, I have to go into the stance to do it. See, if I like do real fast, he's not gonna perform it. Now let me enable the cheats. See how easy it is. See, now let's see while standing. See, it makes it so much easier to do now. So that is what I worked on for now, and I'm planning to add more stuff in his set so that we have more. And I implemented this little thing here, which was quite easy, understanding that Tekken 8 only uses back for this input. But I'm curious about the new reactions, how they are going to affect Tekken 6. But anyways, enough about that. Let's focus on the actual agenda of this stream. Hmm. So let's say I'm gonna make his Rage Art. So Rage Art actually has a move and a reaction and a throw in it. Okay. So the reaction is mostly not used. You can just basically put a simple reaction from like his jab, this reaction, and it will work just fine because we are continuing from a throw. But it's better to add the actual reaction so that wait, let me key charge. Nope. So huh. Yeah, so I haven't done the reaction stuff yet. Okay, so 10 here. Right now I'm continuing with what the area I had on my coding list, like the empty area. I'm using the plugin area so that you need to have plugin in order to play it, sort of like a watermark for the mod or whatever. So down forward 1 plus 2. Currently his down forward 1 plus 2 is nothing. Yeah, this move. And this move is, does it exist in Tekken 7? I forgot. Oh, also something to notice in Tekken 8, down forward 1 1 is replaced with down forward 2 2. Or maybe it's just the same command but with a different animation. I don't know. So here we have a move. So for now, let's just replace the move, and after I'm done with everything, I will work on it later on. Like do the actual command for the rage art. For now, let's just work on whatever is easier for me to do. Okay. So firstly, we wanna go ahead 18 ACC 10. So 0 A, sorry, A0 ACC 10 So that's our pointer here, and the length of the animation is b8. Add a sample pointer to get the values for it. b8 0c d0c 0c. So that's our hitbox, and this is our startup frame and hit frame. So there we go, our movie is basically done here. So for this one, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this reaction, basically from here. Let's see. Hey, how are you, bro? Staking. I appreciate, bro. See, now that our move is done, see, if I go it like this, oops. It makes so much fun. So our move is done. What we want to do is a continue up, like a follow up for this move. So what we can do here is we can use one of his moves. Yeah, for now what I'm doing is I'm rebuilding Brian Fury Tekken 7. So for Tekken 8, like from previous games, previous Tekkens like Tag 2 and Tekken 7, I'm building a base for it, so when Tekken 8 comes out, I can do the changes that are required in it, and like a little work, as little work as do when the Tekken 8 comes out. So I'm a bit ahead of time, so I can provide much faster updates for you guys. So it's something like that. Wait, wait. Why did I use 20? Oh, see, I forgot. I totally forgot about this move. Ha! It makes so much good combos for it. So for this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of his item moves. So basically, just gonna copy this whoosh and this is here. I'm gonna use a complete new slot like 6, 1, 0, and 1. So 86 is going to be our top frame, like startup frame, and our beginning whatever frame. I kinda said oi without even realizing that it means something else in other languages. Okay, so here we go. 20. So while you are making this, remember this, okay? This is for you guest time 2677. Your name is really hard, bro. I'm gonna call you like GT 2677. Yeah, GT 2677. That's a nice. I'm gonna call you that. So why you are making this like for rage arts, okay, but you can like focus on throws as well, is like you can implement this in your custom throws as well. Hello Kaguri-chan. Sorry, Kagura-chan. Yeah, so where was I? Yeah, first of all, what you want to do is you want to make a slot where you're gonna put your throw, like the throw. That is you're going to be that one is going to be your first slot, the first priority in your 14 animation, because that my friend, there is everything, like your continuation depends on it. So in 14, the first slot always takes priority first. So it's same like first take first, second take second place, third takes third place. So that's how it works. I hope I explained it a little bit. uh, huh. Okay, so if there is any kind of cutout in my stream, I do apologize in future, like in advance, because there has been a lot of power outages in my area lately. Okay, so the second slot is going to be where you're gonna wanna put your on hit effects, or you can do the other way around. You can put on hit effects first, and then you can put your throw animation. So what that's going to do is going to perform the hit like a hit effects first every time, like it will give you a nice shake, a nice sparkly effects, etc and etc. Let me demonstrate it for you. So this is my throw. Oh, okay. This part here, let me explain it for you. 01018001 always means do nothing. This is what you are going to use every time that you have an on hit effect. You want to do nothing and just play out the effects. No animation is going to begin. That is this part. No animation is going to begin. That's what's going to tell the game that do nothing, just perform what's inside here. Okay, so let's just say paste. So this is going to be my, let's label it throw. Okay, we don't want to overlap it on the same place, so just continue it and name it here on hit effects. Yeah, that's good. So for on hit effects, you want to go ahead 17FFF, which is ultimate permission, which means unlimited permission. Like you have from one frame to almost infinity frames inside the game to begin this one. Like you have one is your startup frame for the effect, and 7FF is the end frame, and one is again where they actually start doing stuff. So yeah, this is good. Now let's just add recovery. We just want to put these two here. We don't want to put anything else. Power Crush, that's what I forgot, but for now I'm not going to focus on Power Crush because it's not my priority right now. But what I'm going to do is I'm gonna just go ahead and put an empty slot here. Empty slot basically means that you have you haven't added anything. It has 01 7FF 01. So I have put nothing here. It's just an empty slot. Nothing is going to happen in this slot. So what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna leave it empty for the POWER Power Crush. See, this is how it's going to be, empty for Power Crush. When I'm going to add Power Crush, I'm gonna add stuff here and it will just work like normal. So for recovery, you can just basically copy any recovery and just change the slot. Like here, paste it, and just change this part. There we go. Recovery is done. But for this, we wanna recover on B4, because most of the rage arts recover on either B4, or if it's a larger rage art animation like Negan's, it's going to like recover on C8 or C5, no, 4, C4. That's a that's the frame it's going to be recovering on. So C4 is basically, C4 is 196th frame. That's it, where it's going to like recover. Okay, so we have done it. Yeah, that's all for now. This on hit effect is also empty slot, and this power crush is an empty slot, and this throw animation is an empty slot. So let's work on our let me show you what happens if you put all empty slots in a move. So there we go. Minus 8 plus 14. I knew it's going to be 20, but to be double sure that I'm not making any mistake, I like to do this. Yes, I'm using it. This pointer that pointer I'm using here is the plugin area. So what you get, oh my god, my mic positioning is really bad. Let me just adjust it. So what you guys use is, I'm using custom areas. As you can see here, it says custom area. Let me just zoom in. See, it's a custom area. You guys use the standard areas like these are standard areas, and the custom area is this. As you can see, my pointer is way above what the standard area is. It's 0A0. I'm sorry, but I am not Filipino, so I don't understand what you're saying. Sorry. Okay, so what I'm using is the plugin area. The plugin area is from 1800,000 to 0C100,000. Yeah, that's this. Basically, we have almost infinite storage inside of the game now. What the plugin does is it actually let us access more RAM inside PPSSPP. By default, PPSSPP has a small area where it just uses the RAM, like you can say, if you put an older phone or older game inside a like a real beefy PC, like if you have a 32 gigs of RAM, but your game only uses 5 gigs of RAM. That's how it works. But by applying a mod to it, you can force the game to use more memory. Like from 5 gigs, you can almost go to 24 gigs, but without like sacrificing anything except your RAM, that is. But basically, we are forcing the game to use more RAM to like add more RAM inside the PPSSPP, so it's using giving us more area to work on. So currently, what my CPU is going like 65%, but RAM is just 44% used. Wait, how much? 3.5 megabytes. Ah, now the thing is, Salamitsu is saying the like casual areas, what I like to say them, casual areas. That's how that's what we mostly use. Like you can see here, my current memory use is about 5.3 gigabytes. Okay, 5.3 gigabytes, and I have available of 6.6 gigabyte RAM available. So that's how it works. Like for past, if you go back and if your PC is using 5 gigabytes, you're just forcing it to use more 5.3 gigabyte, like 300 megabytes more RAM inside the PPSSPP. Basically, it works like that, and its advantage, it gives us more